Let's take a look at dictionaries. A dictionary is a great data structure in Python and other languages. Sometimes it's called a hash or an associative array. And it's like a list, except that instead of using a number to access an item, you use a key, which could be a string or a number or anything. All right, so let's take a look at states and capitals. So let's have a dictionary of states, and we could create it as empty using these curly braces, or we could put some values in there. So let's say for Delaware, the capital is Dover, and for New Jersey, the capital is Trenton. All right, so what we have here are two items in the dictionary that consist of a key, that's the state, a colon, and then the value, in this case the capital. The item is separated by a comma. We have another item here that has a state, colon, capital. So key, value pairs. That's the key to dictionaries, are the keys. And the keys must be unique. I can only have one Delaware inside the dictionary and only one New Jersey. All right, so how would we add an item to a dictionary? Well, we could do it like this. States with a bracket here, and let's pick the next one as Pennsylvania, and that's Harrisburg. Oops. Equals Harrisburg. All right, and then if we want to display the values in the dictionary, we can do it with a for loop. For item, well, actually for key in states. All right, so what this is going to do, the for loop is going to go into the dictionary, grab the first item, and give us just the key for it. So I can say, okay, such and such is the capital of such and such. How do we do that? Well, the capital we're going to get by using the key. All right, so that's going to be our dictionary name and specifying the key. That's going to produce the values. So the first time through the for loop, whichever key is picked out goes into the dictionary and finds, okay, which one of these match, and grabs the value, and that's what gets provided here. That's by putting the key between the square brackets for the dictionary. So when a dictionary is defined, use the curly braces. If you're adding a value to the dictionary, use square brackets. If you're getting a value from a dictionary, use square brackets. All right, so let's see how this works here. Okay, Trenton is the capital of New Jersey, and Harrisburg is the capital of PA. If you want to see what's in the dictionary for debug purposes, you can just use the simple print statement, and this will show you what you have. I mean, it comes out ugly. It's not what you would call human readable, but you can see exactly what's in there. Now, sometimes you want to test in your code to see what's in the dictionary. So let's do this with a for loop. I mean a while loop. All right, so we'll go into the while loop as long as answer is not equal to Q. So we set it equal to an empty string first. It's clearly not equal to Q. Okay, if state in, we use the in operator here. That's a great one with the dictionary. That's going to tell us if the key is in the dictionary. So we're asking for a key here with the input statement. So if state in states, nope, Okay, so let's run it. And see what we got here. So we'll do this here like so. Okay, let's say DE. Yep, DE's in there. How about NJ? Yep, NJ's in there. How about Trenton? Trenton not found. That's because Trenton's a value, it's not a key. So the key is the piece to the left of the colon. The value is the piece to the right of the colon. All right, and New York, oops, NU, that's not New York. New York, that's not in there either, and then we quit. And that's the basics on dictionaries.